Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be telling you one of the best application which actually you can use in the POCO X2 device as a always-on display. So as you can see friends, right now in the POCO X2, I'm running the application which is very much helpful for me to get this kind of always-on display in this smartphone. So with this application, you do get plenty of other features which includes the emojis, and you can write your own text here, and you can even add the images as well as a always-on display as well. So in this video, I'll be guiding you step-by-step process. So which application is that and how it's helpful. So for more videos to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech, and also do check the links in description also for more videos on the wallpapers and MIUI 12 playlist videos as well, so which will be very interesting to you. If you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, there is also a playlist available, so all the links will be available in the description. So let's get started with the application name. What it is called is Always On Display AMOLED Wallpapers. So this is the application which I have reviewed in this video. So one thing to be clear is that using this application in the POCO X2 will drain quite a bit of battery. So that includes a draining of close to 6 to 8% for 1 hour. So this is a little bit kind of issue using this always on display functionality, definitely. So let me try to show you the wallpaper settings. What are the different options you do have? So first is a digital clock, where you do get a digital clock option. So choosing the different type of clocks, as you can see here, so which is like basic always on display functionality, so where you get normal text similarly like this, as you can see here. So next is that normal analog clock, so you can add the different clocks here, as you can see, so which is a pretty useful feature for me, definitely here. So let me try to turn off the screen, as you can see here, so which looks pretty good and very attractive in terms of using this kind of always on functionality. And the reason why I'm selecting this application, because in the POCO X2 you don't get any always on feature, because the POCO X2 has a IPS LCD panel. So that is another reason why there is no always on display. But in other smartphones in the MI which has the AMOLED panels, they do have always on display, where you can choose this kind of image in the always on display functionality. So right now I'm using the MI Note 10 Lite as well. So here I got the option to select the image as well as the always on display, but whereas in the POCO X2 you don't get any of those options. So that's why it's necessary to download third-party applications to support this kind of always on display functionality. So here is a picture clock, so where you can select a set of pictures from here, so which are already default over there. So these are edge lighting effects as well, you do have the option. And this is a calendar option, which you can set the calendar as a always on display functionality as well, as you can see here clearly. So far this is a quick review on the always on display. So once you download the application, you need to give the permissions for this application, so then only it will work for you. But overall, this is a quick review on the always on display. So in this way, I was able to use the always on display in my device POCO X2 whenever I need to check the time continuously every time. So it's pretty useful if you want to use this kind of good looking theme, so which looks pretty attractive as well in terms of using this application. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description also for in detail reviews on the MIUI 12 version in the POCO X2, which I have did plenty of videos already on the POCO X2 in terms of MIUI 12. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.